Hey techies, welcome back in Tech IVP channel. So techies, today we are going to discuss some scenario based interview question which are really important for the SDET role. Okay, so most of the time interviewer asks this question to check your knowledge about the process exactly you have followed in the previous organization and the real-time challenges you have faced in last organization and what exactly you have experienced to sort the problem if you face real-time issue with the e-commerce application or offline software. So in that case, most of the time interview asks these types of question. So let's see what are these questions and how you have to tackle these questions. But guys, going to before next step, please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about SDET role interview question. So let's start. The first question is scenario. We have just come on the scenario. We are not going about the e-commerce checkout process issue. So see here. So the scenario is customer report issue while completing purchase on e-commerce website. Okay, so the interviewer asked this question and he wants just specific answer what exactly steps you have to perform. Okay, so in that case you have to simply answer it. Firstly, I'll reproduce the issue, and for the reproduction the issue I will try with different payment methods like credit card, PayPal and net banking and the UPI method I will try. Okay, then check console logs, analyze network request, check backend logs, as well as also if you know about the automation, then I have to create some automation script to simultaneously multiple checkout flow with different payment methods. Okay, also for the API I have to check the validate the API for the order creation. Okay, and check cross browser and device testing. Okay, the next question is a retail app needs to work on different screen size and the resolution and devices. Suppose we have an app and mobile application and you have to perform compatibility testing. So what exactly step you have to validate for the compatibility testing? So in that case, simply answer create a benchmark for compatibility metrics. Then second one, performance UI testing on the real device and the emulator, run automation script and test orientation changes in the landscape mode and the portrait mode. So this one pointer is very important pointers, guys. Fourth one pointer is very important, test orientation changes. And the last one is check OS level permission. Is your OS allowed block camera, allow camera, location access, etc. Okay, the next one is banking application account balance issue. Okay, user report the account balance is not updating after transaction. So in that case, how you have to approach, what exactly your approach? So first, in the first case, first step, reproduce the issue, execute deposit, withdrawal and transfer transaction from the front end, and then verify the API response. Also check the database, concurrency testing perform, and check caching issue. Is there any caching issue on the your browser? Sometime old balance value are displayed due to the caching. Clear cache and verify. Okay, the next one is industrial control system update testing. Suppose manager says that we are working in offline software and we are building this kind of XYZ kind of software for the oil refinery system. So how you have to test the software? So in that case, you have to just simply answer I'll approach some basic criteria. The first criteria is identify high risk area. Then in the high risk area, emergency shutdown, alarm and monitoring feature, and data logging for the safety compliance. And the regression testing, ensure previous functionality still working, simulate real time industrial operation, hardware in the loop, HIL testing also perform. Use test benches with the actual industrial control also perform. Stress testing and the rollback strategy. Rollback strategy is really important, guys. If sometime your application goes to fail, so in that case, how soon you can roll back all the changes? Okay, so this one is a really important. Okay, the next one is video streaming app buffering issue. The scenario, user complaint about buffering while streaming video. So in that case, what is your approaches? So in that case, you have to firstly reproduce issue on the different network. You can use 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi also. Yeah, if you have any other throttling way, okay, you can also use. Also check server side logs, analyze video comparison and caching. Network throttling tools simulate slow network speed in the Chrome dev tools. Okay, automation using the JMeter and the some any other tool. If you have like load runner, you have knowledge. Okay, also use Selenium to validate video playback on the different browser. Okay, so guys, these are really important interview questions. I hope these are really helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about SDET role interview question. Goodbye, have a nice day.